Hello YouTube land and welcome. It's been a while, about 2 months. I want to shoot these videos more often, weekly actually, but stuff has been happening to my life the last 2 months. For starters, I found love, which is very nice. I searched for love for a long time and now finally found my dream girl, so that's very nice. Also, I lost my job, which I'm very sad about. I actually got expelled from my job because I went out with my coworkers to have a beer. So I sued the company and got some money in return because they made a mistake. So that's unfortunate, but it's time for me to find a new job so I can keep saving money to earn this passive income. About that, I moved my strategy more to real estate because I can control the cash flow even better. The other strategy was to earn stock dividends, but I have no control over that. So that is my main focus, real estate. So soon enough I'm going to take a course how to invest in them, and also I'm gonna save up money to buy an apartment on a forced auction to rent it out to earn this passive income, which I talked about. To earn passive income while I'm traveling Europe and Asia, to not have a certain amount of money, which it is going to become lower and lower while I travel. So the plan is to have a high quality experience with money flowing in every month. I also moved together with my girlfriend. I like that very much. It was also time to move the tiny house back to my dad's place where I built it, because I changed my priorities. I earlier explained that it wasn't very sleep efficient, so I moved my priorities to save less money, but to sleep well and have a nice, every day instead of having this survival mode. So that's the priorities for now. I am unemployed at the moment, so I have a lot of time for you guys. So that's an update for now. Very thanks for watching, and don't remember to have fun. Take care. Bye.